Hey guys, it's Yusuf with Collectiv, and today I want to share a new feature coming to Microsoft Teams, which is the Microsoft Teams Task app. It's actually just a Microsoft Task app that you can find within Microsoft Teams. And this is going to be a great feature for all my task lovers, calendar blockers, planner users, to-do users, Outlook flaggers, all of you. So what this is going to do is this is a new app that you can put into Microsoft Teams, and it's going to finally bring together your to-do list, your flagged emails, so any Outlook emails you flag or any tasks you create in Outlook, as well as all your planner tasks. And not only can you bring it all in one place to view them, you can also create tasks, update planners, and all of that. So as of August, this has been slowly being released. Some people may have it in their tenant right now, some people may not. By the end of August, everyone should start seeing it available. Throughout the year, there's of course going to be more and more updates coming to the feature. So right now, I just thought we'd take a great, not a great, but a quick little look at what this looks like in Microsoft Teams. So here I'm in Microsoft Teams, and to add it, like I said, as of August, I can go ahead and add the Planner app. What will happen is Planner will eventually change. This, when you go to Add Planner, it'll eventually say Tasks. So if I select this, I'm now getting not the usual Planner's view. I'm getting this new view, which is the starting point of what the new task feature will look like. So here, if anyone uses Microsoft To Do, which is such a great app, you can create, shared tasks. You can create all your personal tasks. It's connected to Outlook, so you can create tasks in Outlook, which goes to Do, as well as you can flag emails and have them show up in your to-do list. So this should be pretty familiar because if you've used it, you'll see that here, where I can see, based on if it's important, if it's a task, if it's assigned to me, all of that. But now I also see planner task. So if I do have anything in my planner, I can see that as well. And so there's a little more of an updated look. It kind of is the best of both worlds. Planner meets Microsoft To Do. And what I can do is I can create a new list or plan. So if I want to create a plan, I could easily select my team, the channel I want to create it for. I can create my own task. So maybe I'm just adding a new list for my task, but maybe I want to add a new plan for one of my teams and channels in Microsoft Teams. So go ahead and let's see. I'm going to do actually, I don't know why. It doesn't matter which one I select, but I don't know why I'm being picky. And I'm going to give it a name. Digital name it whatever you like and hit create. So now because I select a specific team and a channel, it is going to create a planner. So what I'm used to seeing in Planner. But now it's all in this easy one-stop shop view. So I can go ahead and add my tasks. I can view it just like I used to be able to in Planner, from list, board, chart, schedule. This little list view is more modern and updated, but there's going to be some more features to the UI and some of the capabilities. But for those who do have this in their tenant now, they'll be able to see it at this level, which is great. So I can add, all my tasks here. I can assign them to people. Let me go ahead and add this one. I can do my buckets just like I would in Planner. And then I can also go back to my personal task or any to-do list that I have shared with someone and have this all in one place. Now there's, in addition to some of the new features that are going to be coming, are things like an integration with Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, where you could you can actually do an app mention in order to assign someone a task within those apps. So maybe, if you're in Word and let's say you're working on a project brief and there's a section you need input from someone, I can do an at mention to my coworker to add a task for them to fill out that section. So that integration is going to work great. There's more integrations with things like Cortana. The Microsoft Launcher will have an integration with it. And I think this is just going to keep growing and growing to really have everything you need in one place. And so hope you guys are looking forward to this. And if you have it in your tenant, start playing around with it. Like I said, there's going to be more features being released throughout the year. But you should start seeing, if you don't have it in your tenant now, you should start seeing it by the end of August. We'll make sure to give you an update when we see more features come through. So make sure to follow Collectiv on Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And I'll chat with all of you guys later. Bye.